Hi friends, welcome to Calyx Learning. In this video, you are going to learn how to use offset function. Offset function is similar to your other lookup functions, but little steps are different and we'll see how and what it is capable of. So we have this small table over here. From this I require some data. So I have the country region name and I want the details for this country Japan, unit sold, revenue, variable cost and product code. So in these cells in front of the country name Japan, I will use the offset function to get the data from this table. For using offset function, we require the column numbers and a reference column we need to choose. So country region column in the source data I am choosing as the reference column. So this reference column, that is the title, will be a reference cell inside the offset function. That becomes the column number 0, and on the right side of the column we will have all the positive numbers starting from 1, and the number of columns we have, we can put the numbers there. And on the left side we start with the negative series starting from -1 and so on. Now let's use the offset function to get the data for the country Japan. So here, before starting the offset function, I'll put the column numbers here so that it becomes easy to reference the cells from here. And the last one is -1. Here we'll start the offset function. So is equal to offset reference. First it is asking, so we'll click on this cell in the source data, that is country region. I'll fix this cell by pressing F4 key and we'll get the dollar signs, comma. Then it is asking for row number. So row number, we want the row number for this name Japan, that is the country name, from the source data, that where is Japan located in which row. So we should know the row number for it. So manually it is difficult to find, so we'll use the match function to get the row number. So here we'll start typing match, and lookup value will be Japan. I'm also going to fix this cell by pressing F4 key, comma. Then lookup array would be this column of country region, so we'll select that, and also we are going to fix this column, comma. Exact match we require, closing the bracket for match function, then putting comma, and column numbers. So since we are typing the formula in the first cell, we want the value of units sold. So I'm going to select this cell where we have typed the number 1, and we are going to close the bracket and enter. So we got the value for units sold for the country Japan, 141, and we'll just drag this formula on the right side to get the other values. So we have got all the values with the help of the offset function. As you change the name here of the country, you will get the values for the respective name. So this is it about the offset function. Hope you like the video, and if you have any questions or comment to be made for this video, please put a comment below the video. Thank you so much for watching.